All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to show you a little bit of our neighborhood. It's got to be our favorite place in the whole wide world. We absolutely love Bangkok. Right now, we are on Sukhumvit 13, right off of our building, Sukhumvit 15 Residence. And right on the left-hand side, in our building itself, we got an excellent Indian restaurant cafe. It's got Indian street food, everything from your curries to your pani puri. And then as we continue walking down, we're getting close to what everyone sees all over Bangkok, a massage parlor. Now, these massage parlors, they're an excellent deal. If you're not used to Thailand, they come around to about 300 Thai baht. And this one specifically, they're really nice ladies, always willing to say hello and always trying to get you to come on in and get that massage. Now, right over here, we got a 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven in Asia is just straight up different. You definitely need to make sure that if you're coming to Thailand, you don't miss out on 7-Eleven, but I guarantee you, you will not. So right over here, we got the Sportsman Bar. This place always has every single sports game going on globally around the world right over here. They got it listed. And sometimes those games, because we're in Asia, they start at 6 a.m. in the morning. But one thing's guaranteed, they'll be open and they will be showing you the game live right from that bar. Right next door, we have a wonderful German brewery, always busy any time of the day. They got some excellent appetizers and they also have very delicious European beers. Right over here, we also got a nail salon. These places are excellent for you to get your mani and pedi, and they actually have really reasonable prices too. As we walk past them, we got one of the craziest bar names I've ever heard of. It's called Please Don't Tell. It's a pub for music, but I don't know what else goes down there. Leave it in the comments below what's happening and please don't tell. All right, right on the left-hand side right here, we got K&B. This is a great Thai restaurant. Honestly, all the prices are super reasonably priced. Most dishes are less than 100 Thai baht, so it's a good place to grab and go. Man, back to back, there are just so many massage parlors. I'm telling you, it's like more popular than Starbucks out here. Right next to that massage parlor, we got Breakers, one of the most popular pool billiards bar in all of Bangkok, Thailand. There's always a tournament going on. Throw the money down, take the crown. If you win, not only do you win a lot of money, but you also win the pride of letting them know that you're some of the best in Bangkok, because the best pros come out here. Just over here on the left-hand side, we got the Red Lion. If you're craving British food, that's where you go. Now, British food, I don't know if that's something that I'm gonna prioritize, but at least you know it's available. Across the street, we have a place called The Hyde. Now, The Hyde is one of the most popular condos out here, especially for some of your favorite YouTubers in Bangkok, Thailand. Very nice, but a little bit more expensive than our place. Check in the link below to check out what our place is like, but it's still an excellent location and I can't recommend Sukhumvit 13 enough. After we walk past The Hyde, we got Piri Piri. Man, sometimes just as simple as it is, grilled chicken always hits a spot. They also turn it up a little bit with a little bit of spiciness too. Right when you get past Piri Piri, you kind of get to a weird part of the walk, not much of a path, but over here they got some excellent ramen. It's about 300 Thai baht for the ramen. And then this is probably the most popular place that we go on Sukhumvit 13. Right in front of the 7-Eleven, they always got various different street food options, everything from fruit to different crepes, barbecued meat, sausages. It's all there and it's always popping, especially late at night. As we walk past here, we're getting towards some of the more popular hotels. One way you can always tell that you're near a hotel is there's always an exchange rate. Honestly, do not go to these exchange rates. There's way better places that are just around the corner. But right now we're getting really close to Sukhumvit Road, which is the most popular tourist road in all of Thailand, and therefore prices are starting to rise with every step that we take. But there is one place that I gotta let you know about. Margarita Storm. It is some of the best Mexican food in all of Bangkok, Thailand. Great place for tacos, beers, burritos, but it's also an awesome place to just sit down, have a couple beers, and watch the busy street go by right in front of you. We love it there, and the crazy thing about it is it's open 24 hours, 7 days a week. As you can see, Sukhumvit Road is super busy. 24/7, this road is always packed. The reason being that it connects the east to the west. Our recommendation for anyone who's walking on Sukhumvit is if there is a skywalk available, always take it. On my right is Nana Station, and the only reason that we go over there is to go to our favorite money exchange place. It's called Vasu Exchange, and it's only a 5-minute walk via the Skywalk. And on the left, we always take the Skywalk because it's the fastest route for us to get to Terminal 21, our favorite mall and our favorite place to eat around the world. As we make our way to the Skywalk, you can see there are plenty of different street vendors out here. They sell everything. And when I say everything, I seriously mean it. You can get brand new sunglasses. You can get your favorite toy, if you know what I mean, or your favorite Halloween costume, if you know what I mean. It's a wild place, this part of Bangkok, especially at night. It completely transforms. But the truth is, Bangkok always has something for you. It's just what you're looking for is what you'll find. Let's go up to the Skywalk. The Skywalk, even though it looks like it connects all the stations, I mean, that would be a dream come true. Oftentimes you have to take stairs. Sometimes there's escalators or elevators to get up. But once you get up, it completely transforms the city. It's so much more calm out here. And it definitely gives you that vibe where you can just take a little deep breath, enjoy the space, and look down on the crazy busyness of Bangkok below. We're about to get off the Skywalk and get back on Sukhumvit so that we can show you a little bit more of what's near us, where Quinn loves to go shopping.
All right, so just east of Terminal 21 is some of my favorite areas to shop near our neighborhood. My favorite pharmacy is Boots. Boots, if you don't know, is an English brand, and I'm so grateful that there are Boots all over Bangkok, Thailand, where I can get the facial cream, the makeup, and all the things that I know and love, including pharmaceuticals as well. And then just right after Boots, you've got Cloud9, which is a really nice, elegant, luxury feeling shop for you to be able to get your buds and your edibles. They don't have vape or anything like that, but you can get your buds. Definitely go and check out Cloud9. They're super friendly and always excellent customer service. Just past Cloud9, you've got TomToms, which is an excellent coffee shop for you to be able to post up and work if you're a digital nomad. They've got great Wi-Fi, great coffee. TomToms is an internationally recognized brand, so if you're wanting a nice, cool AC area, TomToms has got your back. We are turning the corner right back onto Sukhumvit 15. This is where our apartment complex is. Now on this road, there are a bunch of hotels, so we don't typically visit a lot of the places over here. There's not many restaurants, but there's a pharmacy. There are a couple of nail spots, laundromats, massage parlors, several different bars. There's also an exchange place, but again, this is a road where the hotels kind of dominate the entire scene. Over here on my right, we've got the O'Leary's Irish Pub, which is adjacent to the 4 Points by Sheraton Hotel. That place is always poppin'. Lots of foreigners like to visit there. If you're just craving a Guinness or something fun like that, you can head on over there. And then over here on my left, we've also got a fantastic Korean barbecue place. They've got some pretty good deals. We've been eating a lot of Korean food out here in Bangkok, and I have to say the Korean food is excellent. Just to my right over here, you've got Edelweiss Dental House, a dental office. Really could not recommend enough coming to Bangkok and getting your dental work done here. We've done it a couple of times, and it's always top-notch service, really high quality at a very affordable price. We will be making a video on the best dental place to go for the best price here in Bangkok, so stay tuned, coming soon. Now just to my right over here, you've got another big hotel, but Night Hotel is actually a really popular spot. It's very centrally located. Now as we get closer to our apartment complex, it's interesting, you get a wide range of different types of places. You've got apartment complexes, you've got hotels. It kind of makes you feel like you're in the future, but then also in the past of Bangkok, Thailand. It's kind of cool. The hotels around us are not 2-star hotels. These are all really nice 4-star hotels and more. Really great options if you're looking for a great location and a luxury vibe here in Bangkok, Thailand. And now we have made our round around the block, and we are now back at my favorite place near our apartment. It is 7-Eleven. And right next to 7-Eleven, as you guys know, if you've watched our apartment tour, this is our condo. This is Sukhumvit 15 Residences. Hope you enjoyed this tour of our street. This is our hood. This is our neighborhood. I feel very grateful that we are so centrally located. Hope this helps you find your way around this area as well. We've got lots more to show you all around Bangkok, Thailand. We'll see you on the next one.